In this video, I am going to show you how to add your website to your Deal Automator. We can click on this little hamburger button here if it's not already open, and click on Lead Flow, and then select Websites. Once your area pops up here, you can click Add Site. And just a quick note, this DNS info button, you can choose that and you will see the name servers that your domain DNS has to be updated to, which I talk about in a separate video. These are the custom name servers that you will be adding to the DNS of your domains. So you will log into where your domain or where you bought your domain and update into this. I explained that in a separate video. Okay, so we are going to click Add Site. And you should have 3 domains. If not, that's okay. But typically we suggest 3 domains, 2 for your squeeze pages and 1 for your core. So I'll start with a squeeze page. And we can look at the different templates here. I live in Arizona, so let's see if I can find something to kind of reflect that or something that catches my eye here. Okay, they're all really good. Let's see here. Okay, I'll choose this one. I like the background here. That's kind of Arizona-y like. So I'll go ahead and click on that. I want to create my seller site first. So I'll go ahead and select seller. Whoops. And yes, I do want to sell it fast. You can choose which one best suits you. I typically would choose sell fast because I want to make sure I'm selling fast. I like these options here. We could take a look at the different options they have. Check them and then you can see the text and the way it looks. I like the way it splits it up here, so I'm going to keep this one, sell fast for. Go ahead and click next. Now here you want to make sure that all your business information is correct, the phone number you want to use, the email. This is important because when your autoresponders go out and when your email and phone number populate in your website, it's going to be using this information here. So make sure that you double check the information and it is up to date or correct. In this area, you can, if you don't have a domain yet, you can select to buy one. All you need to do is just click the button. Let's see. And then I can type that in and then it's already got the extension here, but I'll double check to see if that's available. Awesome, great news, it's available. And so I can go ahead and proceed with the checkout. The other option, of course, if you don't have it, you can always pick your own location to purchase your domains, whether you go to GoDaddy or Square or cheapdomains.com, whichever, it's up to you. We usually recommend GoDaddy. They're pretty reliable. Or if you already have your own website purchased or your own domain purchased, you can click I would like to use my own domain. Without adding the www dot, I can just go ahead and put in my website here, my domain name. It's already got the extension, or I can choose the extension that I want and click OK. And we'll give it a second here to populate or to update. Perfect. So you can now either go to the website editor and start editing your website right away, or you can click on here again, Lead Flow, Websites, and check out the list of your domains. Now, your site, if you have not updated your DNS information, will not be live. So all you will get is an error like this, but you can still edit it or preview it to see how it looks. You can edit it from this little blue pencil here, or edit your autoresponders from here. When you edit your autoresponders, you will notice something. I can't really show you here, but okay, here we go. Here's an example. All these are set to the information that I provided for my business. This does not have that. So I can always click to update this. So I'll click on testing, then I'll click edit, and I want to update it to the email and the phone number that I do want. These are for the autoresponders, so that means when somebody fills out your form on your site, they will receive an email with this information here. And these will be your autoresponders down here, and you can always edit your autoresponders as well and edit the information in the autoresponders. So let's go ahead and go back one here. So and you only need to do this for your main site, but if you want to do it for your squeeze pages as well, you can, and you want to make sure that you update all the autoresponders here. But like I said, typically this just needs to be done in your core website because ultimately that's where you are leading your potential clients. So go ahead and continue with adding the sites for your squeeze pages and your main domain, and we will see you in the next video.